Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one Litecoin website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This website pay you in Faucet pay. Website link in description. 2-time claim per day. This my Satoshi pay you. Go to URL Faucet pay. Copy URL Litecoin wallet address and come here, paste in here. This website pay you very high Litecoin. I just copy my address, come here, paste in here, just fill the capture. Fill the capture and click get reward. You can claim daily 2 times. This one pay me, this my Satoshi in Faucet pay. I come here, refresh the page, go into user dashboard and come here down, and you can see this website pay me this much Satoshi instantly in my Faucet pay account. If you want to get another time, just refresh and come here, click this one, I'm not robot, to prove it, watch advertisement, and come here back and claim, and you can earn the URL crypto instantly in your Faucet pay. This is the very fast and very easy way you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. You can watch a lot of people come here and claim their faucets. And you can refer your friends. The referral commission is 10%. And this website link in description. Please subscribe to my channel for more and best videos. Goodbye.